it do, YouTube? It's your boy KoolieBKoolin in the building with Mel's World. And y'all already know we bringing y'all another epic man. Y'all know what's going on today, man. It's Josh, Laurant, car meet. You feel me? He came all the way from Michigan, so we definitely about to pull up and support that demonstration, you know what I'm saying? Man, I ain't gonna cap. My energy is kinda, hold on. My energy is kinda low, y'all. I ain't gonna even sit here.
You gotta go to my channel and see why.
Oh, man. Oh, you dropped the video already?
No, but I did vlog while you ain't got no energy right now.
Oh, man. We definitely gotta, I don't need to see that. I don't even remember it. You know what I'm saying? But man, we had to stop at Starbucks real quick, get that young refresher and something, throw something in the stomach real quick. You know, trying to get there as early as we can so, you know, it don't be super late as I'm always pulling up, man, but pretty sure. Okay, hold on. Let me get this together real quick, gang. Alright, got me my little sandwich.
I hate to change these cups.
Alright, appreciate that.
Thank you.
Yeah, that refresher about to hit the spot. I like the new cups. Y'all gotta let me know. Drop in the comment section if y'all rock with. Oh man, I just jagged the windows.
Ah, man.
Wow, amazing. But man, drop in the comment section if y'all mess with these new cups or not. I like them. It's like a little sippy cup type demonstration. Or do y'all want the regular ones with the straw in it? That's the regular ones come with the straw and everything. Yeah, I rock with them cups, yeah. But I'm gonna cut this camera back on when we get there, man. I need a little bit more energy, so I'm about to down this refresher and pull up over there and see y'all in a minute, gang. Let's get it. All right, girl. What's up, girl? Good?
Yep.
Decent now? Refresher got you nice and right now?
I'm ready. Let's start.
All right, man. I'm about to walk around and get y'all these whips, man. Y'all know. Press wood on his ass. Press wood on his ass. I ain't finna play with him, man. But y'all know I gotta go ahead and start and put CJ demonstration on here immediately. Cause he killed the whole meet with this lick. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, he killed the whole meet with this demonstration. I ain't gonna sit here and cap, man. Y'all know. This thing mean. I ain't gonna even sit here and cap. This thing is nasty. Boy, I can't wait to catch some rolling shots of this demonstration when we float downtown. Y'all know Reese got his stuff out here too. Woo. What's the word, man? I see you got the camera and everything out, man. Shout it out, man. SIN, that's my YouTube. Yes, sir. Man, the equipment, man, I see it's on point. I need me a light. I ain't gonna cap. I need to get me a light, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel, though, man. Y'all already know. Catfish out here, too. Woo. Fish got his lick out here. Look, man. Get some Foley footage. Get some Foley footage. Getting that Foley footage. What's up, man? They said go ahead and do a donut one time for the one time, man. Turn up. What's the word, though, man?
You know, it's Chevy game, man. You know, them Dodge is cheap, so that's why they don't care about tearing them up.
Come on, man. You can't throw jabs at the Dodgers, too, man.
They cheap, that's why they ain't worried about tearing them up.
This man owned both and still be talking trash on the Mopars. You know what I'm saying?
Keep it real with
That's because the Chevy is that's the nastiest one you got in the fleet. The C8 lick, that's the nastiest one. You know what I'm saying?
I got my original Chevy key, dig? My original box Chevy key.
That's that old school lick.
Yeah, that old school nigga.
You feel me? That's that old school lick. Oh, yes, sir, man. KoolieBKoolin, man. Look, give me one more week. I'm busting out the track hawk. I'm gapping everybody like dead sis. I'm doing everything. Everything. I'm talking about like if they got an option on the thing to check. It's done. You know what I'm saying? It's that. Yeah, I'ma stand on it. They gonna see on the 30th. I'm going down to Memphis. Reese, you already know we going down to Memphis, right? We all going clean down. I might let her gap somebody with it, you know what I'm saying? I might have to, they might be scared to race me. I might have to let her do it. I ain't getting gapped. I guarantee that. Guarantee that. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all see, it's all type of whips pulling up still though. I gotta go get Joshua on here real quick. Let me go over here and catch his stuff. Where she go? Let me catch his stuff on here, man, cause y'all know this who meat it is. And I ain't seen the two-tone demonstration in person, but yes, sir. I like the color combo on here, man. I like that color combo on here. And he just put them tire stickers on here too. What y'all think, man? Y'all got to drop in the comment section, let me know. I know we about to get some sliding action going on, man. This boy be sliding. When we was out in Dallas, boy, he was out there tattooing this demonstration like it wasn't nothing, man. But look, go give him a follow right here. Instagram, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? This who meat it is. He came all the way from Michigan, so it's only right we come out and show him some support. Y'all see the vet and everything out here too. Talking about vet, Viper. This thing nasty. He got all type of carbon fiber on here too. I want people to come through tattooing, man. That's what I want. I'm ready for somebody to come through tattooing. I ain't know they let people do that. Yeah, that's his car right there. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to catch. All that. Man, we need that Foolie footage going on now, man. Come on, crank off. Start up, man. Tell them, man. Start up, man. Hey, I seen it when I pulled up. I'm like, no, sir, I'ma chill. They gonna give you that time to do it, though. I ain't gonna lie. They gonna give it that time. He just pulled up. Killed it. Yeah, that thing nasty. Look at him. Yeah. He look like he ain't playing either. I ain't gonna lie, the way he looks. Oh, where? Oh, right here. I hadn't seen him earlier, whatever. Hold on. What's the word, man? Chillin', man. Told you I was gonna slide on through, man. Yeah, hey, man, we gotta go ahead and float on DT later or something, you know what I'm saying? Take you down by Lower Wacker, you feel me, and let you do your thing. You know, I know you like to do that circle lick, you know what I'm saying? Get you doing a little something down here, you know? But yeah, man. Shout out the channel though, man. Let them know what's going on.
You come down there and see my dad's car?
Yeah, I got you, bro. You already know the deal, man. Josh Laurant, you know how I'm coming, you know. Hardest charger in the world, you feel me? And then I'm about to have hardest charger in the world 2.0 coming soon. Okay,
yes sir, yes sir. That's that Hellcat lick? Yes sir, yeah. Ooh. Yes sir, yes sir, I'm gonna be in tune, yes sir. All right, bro. Uh-oh. I don't know what they on, but you know the camera's finna be rolling. I ain't walking over there. I ain't gonna even cap y'all. That ain't my type of time. I stay away from 12 when they pull up. You feel me? So my ass is gonna be over this way. Y'all go subscribe to CJ channel because he got the camera right there on their ass. You feel me? I'm definitely gonna watch because I want to know what they was talking about. Come on, girl. Oh man, they pulling up super deep. What they on? They pulling up overly deep. They making them cars move or something? Oh no, now I'm about to be thirsty to see what's going on. I ain't gonna cap. Oh yeah, that's what the problem was. They called in on them. Matter of fact, I ain't gonna need cap, babe. I'm not walking over there. I'm finna go get off the Koolie juice, you feel me? I'm cool on all that.
This legendary right here.
I want to catch his lick real quick. Yeah, this graphic on here nasty. Yeah, this graphic nasty on here. He the one that's cutting up and got them them calipers, man. Oh man, hey man, appreciate that, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad you do it, you feel me? Hey, it takes people to get out here to actually do it. You doing it, you feel me? Ooh, the 63 lit. He got a tire on the back of that red. That wide body, I'm talking about red eye. They just shut the whole lick down. It's over with. I'm glad I was able to get a vlog in real quick. Yeah, we need to go hit like Lower Wagga or something. He got a wide tire on his too. Yeah, they about to end this. It'd be nasty if he just launched right here. Whoop. Yeah, I don't know if he's gonna do it or not. We riding, boy. The red eye lick. Woo! Then we got him pulling up in the spaceship lick. Hey man, they cutting up. I don't know where this vlog going today. Them boys out here though. Yes, sir. Them boys out here cutting. Man, I ain't gonna cap. That C8 is. Oh, they finna go. They finna go. Boy, that vet just skirted off. That thing scooting. Oh yeah, we finna have some fun today, gang. On them 4Gs, that thing was just scooting. No cap. Man, and then the offset on that lick from the back. I'm talking about the tires look wide. Yeah, that thing nasty. Yeah, that C8 overly nasty. Woo-hoo. We got the bike in action too. We got the bike in action too. Yes, Go give us a wheelie. Go give us a wheelie. He wheelie down this hill, you will be a beast. Nah, he ain't about to wheelie going down that hill. That'll be some monster stuff. Uh-oh, brake lights, brake lights. We need the, woo! Hey man, that C8 be pulling. Y'all don't even understand how that thing is pulling right now. Every time he get in it, I can just imagine how it feels. Rolling, gang. Y'all already know, man, that's CJ on 32s and that young C8. And then that's Reese and the Doberman. Yes, sir. Man, I need Hawkeye, man. Snow White been getting too much action. Snow White been getting too much action. Too much action.
Snow White out here.
Man, what y'all want? Y'all ready for her to come on back, gang? Ooh. Woo-hoo. Reese just opened that lick up. Reese just opened that lick up. Woo-wee, that red eye sounds spicy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, that red eye sounds spicy. Rolling though, gang.
Ooh, I like that.
What? Man, that whole car is nasty. I ain't gonna lie. The whole car is nasty. rocking and rolling, gang. Like how we was in Dallas. And that EWAY footage for y'all, man. Y'all see me, traction control. Oh. Want it to be unleashed. I know we about to cut up on Stunna or something, y'all, or Lake Shore, man. I'm gonna have to cut this lick back on once we get down that way or something. Oh, Reese gonna jump on his ass. Yeah. That C8 looks so nasty. It look like he, is that how his tire supposed to be on that bike? Oh no. Showing out. Man, that C8 is overly nasty. I promise y'all. That thing is nasty. EWAY action, gang. Oh, when Reese hit it in that red eye, I'm talking about you hear raw horsepower. Like, it just sounded brutal. They just was cutting up.
I know, what the hell? Wow, vlog him.
Woo! That was just a run, boy. I ain't gonna lie, they just got through there. I know they was malpowered. I hope the footage was clear on that. I ain't gonna cap. Today turned it out to be nice and fun. You feel me? Yeah, son.
A few minutes later.
Uh-oh.
Alright, let's see what he do.
Uh-oh. Hopefully we don't get gapped out of vet now, man. Oh, man. That's the bike. Uh-oh.
Stunna Reese.
We got a 3-lane lick going on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, they killed it. Oh, this was about to be lit. They definitely right there. They would have been on us. That's crazy. We was about to cut up, man. That has something real crazy, man. 12 is literally right there, so we finna whoop. Oh, that was about to be a lituation, gang. The vet, the red eye, and the mirror. On life, I was gonna have to leave on both of them. I was gonna have to. Dang, gang. Hey, we gotta get that one again, y'all. Hopefully, if it's meant to happen, it'll happen, gang. I'm glad the boys, they peeped that 12 was behind us. I don't know if y'all can see them right there. But it definitely was about to be something crazy.
Show out.
It's about to show her colors. I'ma just go ahead and stop, because the boys right there though. Y'all see them? Yeah, they probably on us too now at that point. Yeah. Get back with y'all in a second. Gotta push your way through this lick, y'all. Uh-oh. Copyright. Oh yeah, his music too loud too. Cut it in a minute. DT riding, gang. DT riding. Y'all see what's going on, man. We out here purring together. Woo! I knew he was gonna tattoo. It was only right if he tattooed. You feel me? He got the crowd going crazy. It sounds so aggressive. I just missed him cutting up. You know I got to too. You know what I'm talking about? You know I gotta join the gang too.
Oh, hey, I just got these tires now.
Gotta hop in with gang now. Ooh, we rolling though. Rolling and coasting. Let me get up in there. Woo! They turn their heads with them licks, gang. Woo, we chopping. Chop, chop, chop. About to ride on down by Pirello. Catch them foreign and exotic licks for y'all one time for the one time. Damn, that bump, boy, that's a Chicago bump right here. We just, whoo, jeez Louise. Whoo, I see that double I truck over there too. Yes, sir. Man, I ain't gonna stunt, boy. That C8 pulling up on all that, boy. On the Forges, he pulling up on all that. All that. Whoo, y'all see the double I truck. The double I truck. Oh, we finna pull it on over one time then. Get a couple of these licks. Where the bike at? Make sure. Oh yeah, y'all see the double I licks. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They out here. Yeah. Well, y'all, we done stopped right here. You know it's only right when we at Pirello with the gang. Hey, man, y'all was just getting fooly, man. I got that. I got that.
Little spirit driving,
You know what I'm saying? I got that, man. I got that. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. If y'all can see the color of this, they closed now, so I can't even get in there. But the color on this Lambo is the lick. I'm talking about, that's the one. I'm gonna end up having to come back up in here and holler at that Pirello there, man. I ain't gonna cap. They got some nice killers up in there, but we can go ahead and get with the gang. Y'all know, double R shawty and everything. What's up, girl? You looking for your G-Wagon, ain't it? That's all you looking for. That young G-Wiggy.
I know it's coming soon, though.
Woo!
Right?
Yes, sir. Hey, I need y'all to don't skip no ads. Don't skip no ads so I can go ahead and get her to act bad. You feel me?
Oh man.
That's the lick right there, though. That's the one right there, the double R truck. Right over there. That thing overly nasty. You know you be overly thirsty for the B trucks too. So I know y'all be ready for the B trucks. Ooh-wee. Oh yeah, I ain't even peeped that one. See, that's how you freak a schooler. You put a color like that on there and this.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Cause that's nasty. Ooh. Yeah, that color nasty. I ain't gonna cap.
Crazy on the school.
Yeah. That'll look nasty. Woo. Yeah, that color nasty. I ain't gonna cap. Yeah. On that B.
I love it. That color.
She already a Bentley truck guru too. That's a lick. I wish they was open, man, but hey, it is what it is, man. We just gonna move and groove with the gang, man. We just vlogging. Really trying to bring y'all as much content as we can really right now, because wintertime is coming, and when it comes, it's gonna be overly tough beyond then, man. So, I mean, collabing and everything, you know, it make it a little easier and everything like that. Plus, you know, it bring people from all different angles, you know what I'm saying, and just, you know, gangs, join gangs on top of gangs, man. You know what time it is, man. But don't know where else we finna slide around to. Probably about to go hit Lakeshore or something like that. Just move and groove. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling as we move and groove.